Welcome back to another video, and today, me and Polo are going to do Mugen Train Hell mode with these guys. This is my friend Theo, and he assembled this, I swear, at an elite team. Sorry for the noise in the background, that's just going to have to be there. I hate that sound, man. That's sadly going to have to be there. Alright guys, now for the champion, so we might be able to do it this time. Hopefully they can do the keyboard game. So yeah, I'm just hoping that they can do the keyboard game. I have to do my best to protect this time. Alright guys, we're doing pretty good here. Yay, we did it! We did that pretty easily. I think we did that anyway. I stay. I stay. No. No attacking. No attacking. Nuh-uh. Oh no! Drilling? Alright guys, it's just a bad time to record this video. There's even drilling in the house. Are you kidding me? Sorry for the background noise, you guys. I literally cannot do anything about that. What I hate about this. Can't do anything about that. Not a single thing. These guys are already pretty low. We gotta make sure most of them... No! Hit! No. Yay! We're doing this way easier. These guys are kind of pros at the game. Well, they're not pros, because then you would have to do it 100 times. Stop it. Whoa. Someone, no, die. 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 Die, you idiot! No. We just gotta hope. No! No! You stupid punks! You stupid punks! Get out of here! Die! You stupid punks! Come on, no! Again! It happened again, you guys. I'm truly frustrated at this moment right now because... No! Yay! Now we have to get through the other thing. Now these guys are high levels and they basically have every single item in the game, you know? They have a lot of items in the game, you know? Man, I really have to talk aloud for that thing. Damn, I forgot how much stamina swamp drains. Yeah, dude, I forgot how much stamina swamp drains, dude. Just go away. It's a lot of stamina. Die! I'm not falling. Yay! We did it! He's brainwashing me! He's brainwashing me! Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. It's Flash Monster. That's a lot of health. That's a lot of health, you guys. Let me just go there safely. We did it! Here comes the keyboard game. Alright guys, let's see how well I can do this time. I gotta do it way faster than this, guys. I gotta do it way faster than this. Alright, I'm almost done. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Alright guys, you're gonna have to listen to that until I can pause it, because I can't pause this right now. That's just my phone, you guys. Uh-oh, I might not be able to do this. I did it! Cancel that. Cancel that. Cancel that. No! Cancel! I'm doing Mugen Train. Yes, we did it! Doing Mugen. Mugen. Doing Mugen. Oh my god. Yes! We did it! Oh my god, guys! 2 people were able to do it. 2 people. That just shows how good I am at this game. I'm the only reason the team got past. I'm carrying. I'm carrying. It's my fault. I am carrying. I gotta heal. I don't care about my percentage. I've gotta heal, you know? Grr, I gotta heal. Let me heal just a little bit first. Healing. Healing. I hope I get the best stuff for this. Alright, I killed most of them. These are little NPC guys. Where's Akaza? There he is. That's not Akaza, is it? No, that's not Akaza. Hey there, Akaza! Ha ha ha! We're gonna kill you in seconds! Alright, guys! We can do this! Guys, we're almost done with Mugen Train. The other people were actually able to succeed. I'm guessing this is because of Zombie and some other guy. They were actually able to finish it. I'm so glad you guys were able. Only me and Bola were able to do it before, but now, since you guys are here, let's just keep doing this. Ow! I'm getting hit by so many. I gotta do Snow-Tide Vortex soon. Kill Akaza! No! Kill it! Kill it, you guys! Kill it! With all your might! We have to kill it! Let's keep going! Yes! Hello there, Kaza. I see you right there. Oh my god, yes! Guys, I think we're gonna be able to do this. Come on, Snow-Tide Vortex. I can get rid of all these NPCs. Come on. I can do the attack now. See you guys later. Alright. Where is Akaza? I can't see him. There he is. Oh. Where is he? There he is. Hey there, Akaza. We can do this! Yes! Die! Die, Akaza! Oh my god! We're absolutely butchering him right now! No! Is that Akaza? No, that's not Akaza. Let's keep getting the percentage. Oh, never mind. Wait, where is he? Where's Akaza? There he is! Kill Akaza! He's almost dead! We did it! We did it, guys! Mugen Hell mode complete! Let's go! Let's see the loot we got! Let's see what we got. And we got unlocked. Yes! And I got nothing good. I got nothing. It's sad. Oh, wait, I did get living flesh. I got living flesh! But say hi to the camera, everybody. At you whip. Watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay, watch me nay. Here's Theo saying, hi! Yay! Are you YouTuber? What up? Yes, I'm YouTuber. Yes. Oh, guys, I just got a ticket. From Mugen Hell Mode, from Hell Mode Mugen Train. Yay, best drops ever. Yeah, guys! Best drops ever. I got nothing. Yes, best drops. Alright, guys, well, that was Mugen Train Hell Mode. And finally, we have done it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.